Hey glow getters, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shambhavi and today we're talking about 5 common morning skincare mistakes that could be holding your skin back from its full glow potential. Let's start with the biggest one, skipping sunscreen. UV rays are sneaky. They come through windows and even on cloudy days they damage your skin. The result? Faster aging and dark spots. Make sunscreen your final step every single morning, no matter the weather. Next, washing your face with hot water. It feels nice on chilly mornings, but hot water strips your skin of natural oils and leaves it dry and irritated. Lukewarm water is your skin's best friend. Mistake number 3, over-cleansing. If you're washing your face multiple times in the morning, you're harming your skin barrier. Once is enough. Number 4, applying skincare in the wrong order. The rule? Go from thinnest to thickest, toner, then serum, then moisturizer and finish with sunscreen. This helps each product absorb properly. Finally, number 5, ignoring your neck and hands. These areas age just as fast as your face, but most people forget them. Apply your skincare and sunscreen here too. So, to recap, never skip sunscreen, use lukewarm water, don't over-cleanse, apply products in the right order, and give your neck and hands some love. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share with a friend who loves skincare. Until next time, stay glowing.